For more than 3 decades, the joint employer standard was the cornerstone of labor law. It protected businesses from undue liability involving employees over which they did not have the actual or the direct control. We know what happened in August of 2015, that decision that came out. That decision ignored years of legal precedent and created an environment of uncertainty that will put pressure on primary companies to assert more authority over their contracted small businesses and franchises to limit new potential liability under this federal law. This is not, in my opinion, and I'm an attorney and I've been a small business owner, so I know what it is to be a small business owner, so I know what it is to work with employees, and I don't think this is a Democratic or Republican issue. It's something that we got to do because it's the right thing to do for the small business owners that we have. This joint employer decision is a major threat to the life of franchise industry and to the dreams of business ownership for millions of Americans. And I've heard this message loud and clear from my businesses in my district, from San Antonio all the way to my hometown in Laredo to Mission, Texas. Franchise businesses in my state in Texas provide over 635,000 jobs, contributing over $31 billion to the economy, including nearly 12,000 of those jobs in my district alone. That adds about $500 million to our economy. I've talked to them. I have spent time with them. I've been at the restaurants. I've been with them. We've sat down, and this is real. This is not one of those hypothetical situations. It's something that's real, and this is why this bipartisan legislation will be important to those small businesses. So again, small businesses should at least get something from the government, from the federal government, and that is do no harm. Do no harm to those job creators, because after all, those small businesses create 2/3 of all the jobs that we have. So I certainly want to say thank you so much to my colleagues, to the leadership.